To import citations into Covidence, click on the Import button from your review summary page. On the Import from File page, you can select to upload your citations to any stage in your review from the drop-down menu in this section here. Screen are citations for title and abstract screening. Full text review are for full text review. Included are those citations that have been included for data extraction. In other words, they're the citations that were included at the full text review stage. Excluded are those that were excluded at the full text review stage. And irrelevant are those that were excluded at the title and abstract screening stage. In this example, I will select to import my citations into the title and abstract screening stage. You can then select the source your references were imported from using this drop-down menu. If you cannot find the source you need from this list, you can click on Manage Sources to add your own. Now choose the file for upload. Covidence accepts EndNote XML files or text files with either PubMed or RIS formatting. As an example, I will import a file from EndNote. In EndNote, highlight the relevant citations from your library and choose to export them. In this case, either as an XML file, as I'm using EndNote, or you could import a text file with RIS formatting. In Covidence, select the source, if known. In this example, my citations are from Ovid Medline. I can then select Medline from the drop-down menu and then choose the file for upload into Covidence. And click on Import. You'll then be directed to the stage in your review that you chose to import the citations to. In this example, I've chosen to import my citations to the start of the review, so to the title and abstract screening. If you have citations in a format different to those previously mentioned, simply import your references into your reference manager and export them in a Covidence accepted file type. Once your references are successfully imported, take a look at the import history page to see what Covidence has detected. To do this, go to your review dashboard, to the import tool, and then import history. Here you can see the date of the import and that 50 references were imported, of which Covidence has detected 48 duplicates. Therefore, 2 studies were added to my title and abstract screening. You can change the name of the source by clicking on Source and choosing another source from the drop-down menu, or adding additional sources if the file you've imported came from multiple sources. And you'll need to add the number of references for each source. If you haven't taken any actions on your import, you can undo it from this page by clicking Undo Import. Covidence uses a very strict deduplication method, checking the title, year and volume, all of which must match exactly, and the authors must be similar. Covidence will detect duplicates within a file and across files that have already been imported into your review. You can view duplicates by clicking Duplicates, and you'll notice that we have both system-detected duplicates and manually marked duplicates. In the system-detected duplicates section, the citation on the left was imported into Covidence first, while the citation on the right has been detected as a duplicate. If you think the citation on the right is not a duplicate, you can return it to the screening by clicking Not a Duplicate. In the manually marked duplicates section, you'll see the references that were manually marked as duplicates from your screening list. The name of the person who marked the reference as a duplicate is on the left. And if you think that the reference is not a duplicate, you can again return it to your screening by clicking Not a Duplicate.